Today we're looking at this mouse, Redragon M602. Great details, wonderful price, highly rated. And it's happening right now. The Redragon M602 RGB wired gaming mouse. You can see here I bought this thing 3 times. Last time purchased January 16, 2022. Programmable 7 backlight modes, up to 7200 DPI for Windows PC games. Bought it in black because I love black. What can I say? I do. This thing is very highly rated, under $20 on Amazon. All the links will always be in the description down below. Click the show more section. You don't want to miss this. You can see it right here. 4.7 out of 5. 24,767 people. They love this mouse. I love this mouse. Why? It's affordable. Yes, it's affordable. And it's RGB and it's lit and it's cool. All the cool kids got this mouse. Come on now. I always try to bring you guys the best free games and budget gaming tech on the channel, helping you save money. 4K, ad free always. No mas. No ads on here. No laggy, unskippable, crappy commercials you don't want to watch. I get right to the meat and potatoes every time, because you deserve the best. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you dig my crazy videos, and yeah, drop a big like on the video. Share it out with your friends. Help them save some money, get some cool gear. Also, don't forget, if you're new and you're digging it, hit the subscribe button. It's free. It don't cost you anything. And you don't want to miss the great deals I got coming. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click the show more section. Yep, down below. It'll have the links to these items. I do not get paid for any of this crap. I wish I did. They should. About 3 of them so far. They owe me some money, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Always there for you. Have a great day, everybody. I'll see you in the next one.
Relax.
Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully it made you laugh or saved you some money. If it did, hit that subscribe button down there, the red one. Make sure to leave a big like on the video too if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos like this, click right there. I'll see you in the next video.